Hi, I just want to tell you about this website. Everyone is aware of this website, and they are having the store that is called as Nature Store. They are selling many products. If you really want to buy anything, if you want to support this organization, you can buy it. You can buy the accessories, jackets, drinkware, notebooks, many things. And I just got it. I bought 4 out of this website. And now this is not at all related to promotion. This is my duty. I have supported Greenpeace for for a year. That was the financial support. And this organization is selling products. And there are so many things, so many interesting activities are noted. I mean, it's all ready. It's all for you, for the volunteers. For anyone who is really interested in the conservation of the wildlife. And this one is available in the Nature Store's website. The thing is, it's quite small. It's not going to be visible. It should be at least, there are many pins are available, but almost 80% out of it, those pins are quite small. But it's all beautiful, and it's so beautiful, and you can wear that. And it's not a big brooch, it's a pin, so it must be small. That's why the size of the pins are quite small. If it is a brooch, it will be bigger. Or if it is the badge, then you can wear it. Otherwise, you can wear those pins on the collars. That is meant for the lapel. And there are many things available in the same website. If you buy anything out of that website, that will be, contributing a certain amount to the conservation of the wildlife organization. They are protecting it. What they are doing, how they are doing it, and how they are creating the awareness, how they are identifying the habitat. It's all there in the same website. You can go and check this website. You know about it, WWF India.org. It's a beautiful bird indeed. There are so many things, like, when you are studying in your school, the excursion is there. I mean, every year, or it's depending on the school. In few schools, they are taking the students to the places in order to create awareness, not just to have fun, and also to create awareness. And when you talk about this particular awareness, why do you have to have this sort of awareness? What for? If you sit in the four walls, you don't get it. There is a huge world. It's so beautiful. All the creatures out there. It's all so beautiful. You shouldn't disturb. I don't have that sort of, wish to go and check. I've been to the jungle lodges. If it is, let me tell you very clearly. If you really want to understand these things, you can get in touch with that particular organization. And one more thing, if you really want to get into the place, if you want to work for it, there are people assigned for that. There are so many schemes, and also in the it's not just, it is the organization that is not quite I could say that it is related to the worldwide fund that is meant for the world. But locally there are so many things are there. You can check with the department, and there are so many activities, guided activities. Please make a note. When you are entering into any zone, there will be people. There will be people and officers will be there. You need to get the prior permission in order to see anything or do anything. If you ask me, I really don't want to disturb their habitat. Yeah, I do have the wish to see those creatures, but you know what, they are not getting into our house. So why do we have to? There is a question. Because when you